Hi everyone, this is Camila with you again. Welcome to my channel. And as I said in my last video, I'll be doing a separate video where I will be setting up my palette with this beautiful Van Gogh watercolors, and I'll be doing some color charts. So here I have the set of 20, and additional I have 5, so I need to fit them somewhere in here, so it will be according to the Royal Tennis website. I'll be checking there, and also I will try to make it as it goes as a rainbow color. So here I already sort them out, and I'm cleaning the palette with alcohol. Also I am scratching the palette with the scissors so that the pigment will grab on it. And now I'll be starting with the white and mixing it. But I'm doing this very slowly, but again I speed up the video because otherwise it would be very long video. So actually I'm not doing it so fast, especially when I'm using the toothpick and mixing it. You have to do it very slow to avoid any cracks. I still had some cracks in my Van Dyke Brown and Burnt Umber, but it's because of the consistency of the pigment itself. So the rest of it goes the same. I'll be pouring the pigment into the palette, and the same way I'll be mixing them with a toothpick to try to avoid any bubbling. And at the end, the result, I was very happy, satisfied, and I didn't have cracks in other colors except for these two. So this is pretty much that's it. Beautiful palette, I love it, and I'll be waiting for a few days for it to dry up. And that's what I thought when after a few days I went back to the art store to get some additional colors that I thought I was missing out. So I got cerulean blue from Rembrandt, because this cerulean blue is it doesn't have a phthalo blue in it. Got transparent yellow and viral orange, quinacridone rose, and azomethane green yellow, and silver, because I really wanted to try something shining before going for interference colors. So I haven't decided yet where I'm gonna put this because I don't have really place in the palette. So I'm just putting according to the color match right now until I'm gonna finish the color chart, and then later I'm gonna decide. And I also got this beautiful color, quinacridone rose. It's a very transparent color. I was regretting that I didn't have it after I tried that in this palette, so I'm really loving it. And I had a little bit issue with the cerulean blue from Rembrandt, because as you can see first the Gum Arabic was separated, so I'm trying to fix here as you can see, but it was fine. I fixed it, I tried to mix it, so it's okay now. It happens sometimes with some paints when it's for a long time hanging on the display or just staying somewhere. It happens with the paints, it's normal. So I'm gonna start here a color chart, and I'm gonna fast forward this video, otherwise it's gonna take a very long time. So I'm done with this chart, and this is dried up already. And again, it depends on how much color mixture you have here, one to each other. You can get a different, brighter or darker or muddy. It depends of how much of the colors you will be mixing with each other. Now I haven't included the pinks and the violets in that chart because anyways I didn't have space, so I'm gonna be doing a separate chart for the violets and the red blues. So I'm gonna do on this page, and it's gonna be also very fast. And if you are new, always color charts help a lot to understand when you mix the colors, to understand what you can get out of it. So that's why I made it. I always do color charts. I always mix the colors and see for myself. And I think this is all, pretty much all. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed it.